In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and generate coupon programs in the Sales app. To get started, open the Sales app and go to Products, then Discount and Loyalty. This is where you can manage promotional programs like discounts, loyalty rules, and coupons. Once you're there, click New to create a fresh coupon program. Now enter a program name for your coupon campaign. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple promotions over time. After that, set the program type to coupons. This is important because it tells the system that this promotion will work through generated coupon codes rather than applying automatically. Next, if you want the coupon to be active only during a certain window of time, set the start date and end date. This is useful for seasonal promotions, limited time campaigns, or special events. If you leave these dates flexible, the coupon program can remain available without a fixed deadline. You'll also see the option to enable limit usage. Turn this on if you want to control how many times the coupon program can be used. This helps prevent overuse and gives you more control over the promotion, especially if you're offering a valuable reward. After that, choose where the coupon is available. For example, you can set it to sales so it can be applied in the sales process. Make sure this matches the area where you want your team or customers to use the coupon. Now move to the Conditional Rules section and click Add a Rule. Here, you'll define the conditions customers must meet before the coupon can apply. This could include things like minimum purchase requirements or other qualifying criteria. Setting clear conditions helps ensure the reward is only given when the right requirements are met. Then, go to the Rewards section and click Add a Reward. This is where you decide what benefit the coupon provides, such as a percentage discount. Be sure the reward matches the goal of your promotion and is easy for users to understand when applied. Once everything is configured, save the coupon program. Saving at this stage stores all your settings and prepares the program for coupon generation. At the top of the page, click Generate Coupons. From there, configure the coupon codes you want to create and generate the set you plan to distribute to customers. This gives you the actual codes that can be shared and redeemed. Finally, click the Coupon Smart button to view and manage all the generated coupons. This is the best place to track what has been created and keep your coupon campaign organized. Thanks for watching.